So very warm welcome to GPAT Gyan. We are going to start our crash course for our 3 to 4 crucial months from January 1st. And here we will go with daily life classes, 100% syllabus coverage with MCQ, with theory classes, and there will be also non-pharma class. And we will give you 140 plus dedicated recorded lectures of different subjects with full syllabus coverage, and we will practice 1000 plus MCQ in live class. So there will be a facility of one-to-one interaction, and you can discuss your doubts with your educators at particular time, and there will be a career guidance opportunity. So here is the offer, which is for up to 31st December with save of 950 rupees. You can just enroll this course with only 549 for till December 2025. Here is the process, and there's a detailed information about our GPAT Gyan. So which facilities you will get: one-to-one doubt solving, daily live classes with experts, recorded classes and notes, then MCQ practice in the app, GPAT exam simulation pattern. We will give you the +4 for positive questions and -1 for negative answer. For wrong answer, the question will be designed in that manner that if you correct the question, then you will get +4. If you wrong the question, then you will get -1. Then affordable and flexible fee structure. We'll go with the fee structure in upcoming minutes. Then number of educators, there will be 7 dedicated and well qualified educators from Jadavpur University and NIPER Mohali. Then syllabus coverage will be 100%, and then guidance beyond GPAT, NIPER and CUET. So here is our educators for your intercession. So here all are very good rank in their respective examination with very impressive all in ranks we all have. Then there is a courses which I have already started from 2025 June. There will be 1 year comprehensive course. You can enroll for this also. Then 2 year extended course for those who are going to prepare for 2027 GPAT as their final year. Then crash course, which is going to launch or which is going to start in January, where you will enroll this course by just clicking on GPAT and PMS, and then you will can see that 1 year comprehensive course, 2 year extended course, and the features what will give you what will get from our courses. And there is a crash course. ठीक है, तो हम लोग क्रैश कोर्स में आप लोग को 140 प्लस रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस भी देंगे, और सारे में फॉर योर फर्स्ट ईयर 1 ईयर कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव में भी आपको 140 प्लस रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस मिल जाएगा, 2 ईयर में भी आपको 140 प्लस रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस मिल जाएगा. एंड फॉर क्रैश कोर्स you will get this type of facilities, and just you can click on the pay with QR code, and you can just scan with your mobile and pay the amount, or you can also use UPI that which is not currently uploaded in the website, and then you can click on this click here to verify the payment. So you just after payment, then you just need to fill the form, and then you will get immediate access. So thank you from my side, and if you want to enroll in crash course, please, this is only the one time offer till 31st December. You can enroll it, and you will get the access of every recorded videos, and the classes will start from January. Okay, thank you so much.